Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be walking you through the process of deleting a WordPress theme. Whether you're cleaning up your WordPress site or replacing a theme with a new one, this guide will help you do it easily and safely. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Simply go to your site's URL and add /wp-admin to the end. Enter your username and password to access the admin area. Once you're logged in, go to the Appearance section on the left-hand menu and click on Themes. This will bring you to a page where you can see all the themes installed on your site. Find the theme you want to delete. Note that you cannot delete an active theme, so make sure to switch to a different theme before proceeding. Hover over the theme you want to remove and click on Theme Details to open the Themes Details page. On the Theme Details page, you'll see a Delete button at the bottom right. Click on it and a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm that you want to delete the theme. Go back to the Themes page to ensure that the theme has been successfully removed from your site. It should no longer be listed. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a WordPress theme. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.